Okay, so are you interested in possibly having your channel reviewed by me, Stephanie Sutton, and Rob at TubeBuddy? So TubeBuddy is a great resource, especially for new YouTubers. If you're interested in boosting your views and you need an app to help you, you cannot go wrong with TubeBuddy. I do not work for them. I don't get anything from them. I am just that excited about understanding statistics about YouTube channels. And TubeBuddy gives me a wide variety of my statistics on my channel. It also helps me understand what kind of keywords I need to be using so my tribe actually finds me and watches my videos. So I am usually a computer teacher and I teach animation and coding. And those are really hard subjects to teach online. I started making videos as a way to really increase my reach because I can usually only teach about 12 students at a time. I ran into TubeBuddy, the app, and all of a sudden my channel started to get a lot more views. I had some videos that really have gotten quite a few views, and I think that my subject matter is really hard to understand. So TubeBuddy is really working for me. When I reached out to Rob to start helping me review channels, what he can bring to the table is just this expertise that as a computer teacher, I just do not have. I am a YouTube enthusiast, but I feel like YouTube really falls down with helping new YouTubers and new channels in particular, because we are creating their content to make their channel and their product wealthy. And what are they doing to help us as content creators? Really nothing. So I really enjoy using a tool like TubeBuddy because it helps me understand how to really navigate the world of creating videos. Because I want people to see my work. I want to be monetized. I want to create a stream of passive income at some point in time. And so I really need to have specific goals and to understand my statistics get me to where I need to be. So what Rob and I have done is now we've reviewed 3 channels together and we've had a lot of fun doing it. I am now, this is a call out now to anybody who would like us to review their channel. So what we offer you is we watch your channel, we watch some of your videos. If you have hundreds of videos, we're not going to get to all of them, but we do a deep dive into your videos and tell you, hey, are you using your channel art correctly? Do you know in your channel art you need to have how many times that you post or a posting schedule, even something that says, hey, I make brand new content every week is super helpful right there in your channel art. I did not know that before I started talking to TubeBuddy. Also, what is the difference between weighted and unweighted? Again, I had no idea until I really started researching other people's channels. And now I know, and you can find out too. What does it mean in TubeBuddy when my stuff is highlighted in yellow? Is that a good thing? I don't know. Check us out and you can see. Also, why is it so hard to get that first 100 subscribers on your new channel? Is that across the board difficult? Is it difficult for just some niches? Is it even really a thing? I don't know. I have a hypothesis that after your first 100 subscribers, the next 100 subs is a lot easier. But that's just my own hypothesis. I can't wait to ask that to Rob. Should I be in incognito mode in my TubeBuddy? And why does that help me? Also, B-roll. What is so important about B-roll? Are there statistics behind B-roll? And then how does YouTube understand what my video is really about if at the beginning of my video, it's me and my cat, but yet I'm making a video on cars or games or makeup? Okay, all of these different things Rob and I really dive into. So hey, if you want us to review your channel, send me a comment, okay? And then check out these videos that we have put here for you to see how we review different channels and do a deep dive into these content creators. And you'll have to ask them if they've actually learned something that's helped them, because I really think they have. Okay? So leave a comment. Let us know if you want us to review your channel.